Practice thinking in English. Boost fluency naturally. Today we will very briefly say what we will learn. Easy habits to practice thinking in English and ways to boost fluency naturally.
And I will give clear examples and simple speaking ideas so thinking in English becomes part of your daily routine.
Think of thinking in English as training a habit. It grows when you use small sentences often, not when you force long speeches.
Short sentences and mental comments help your brain connect meaning directly with English words instead of translating first.
Label the things you see. Say the item name and add a short comment. The cup is hot. The car is red. These small acts build mental links.
Narrate simple actions silently. I open the door. I make tea. Speaking actions in your head ties language to movement and memory.
Use question frames in your mind. What is this? Where can I go? Fill them quickly with short answers to create automatic responses.
Shadow short audio when you can. Listen and repeat quietly or in your head to match rhythm and natural word order.
Keep a phrase bank of everyday sentences you actually need. Greetings, apologies, shopping lines, quick responses.
Practice these phrases until they pop up naturally. When they are ready-made, your thinking speed improves.
Describe pictures in English. Choose a photo and say what is happening. A child runs to the ball. The market looks busy.
Picture description strengthens vocabulary that attaches directly to images rather than translating words from another language.
Paraphrase often. Read a short line and restate the idea in different words. Paraphrasing increases flexibility and fluency.
If a word is missing, describe it. Saying, "the small round fruit," keeps the thought moving without switching languages.
Practice imagined dialogues. Picture ordering food or asking for help and play both parts inside your mind in English.
Imagined conversations prepare the brain for real chat because response patterns become familiar and fast.
Use daily 2-minute sessions to think aloud in English about your day. Small, regular practice beats long, rare drills.
Short practices are easier to repeat and they rewire your brain through regular repetition.
Read a short paragraph and immediately summarize it in one sentence in English. Focus on meaning, not word-for-word translation.
Summarizing helps you pick the main idea quickly and express it in natural English.
Learn collocations and common chunks like make a decision, take a break, and have a look. Chunks are faster to retrieve.
Chunks reduce the need to assemble sentences from scratch and make thought flow smoother and faster.
Practice linking words, so, because, but, however, then. They connect ideas and make your inner speech coherent.
When your thoughts link smoothly, your speaking will also feel more connected and native-like.
Keep a simple English diary with 2 or 3 lines each day, then speak those lines aloud. Writing and speaking together reinforce thought.
When you speak your writing, your inner voice learns to match English sentence patterns and rhythm.
Use self-talk for feelings and plans. I am excited. I will study later. Emotions are easy hooks for language.
Emotional sentences are memorable and often come to mind when you need them most.
Repeat meaningful phrases from songs, films, or podcasts that match your level. Those lines become mental shortcuts for expression.
Choose short clips and replay useful sentences until they feel natural to think and say.
Record short 5-minute monologues and listen back. Note hesitations and target those moments for practice.
Fix one hesitation at a time. Replacing pauses with practiced phrases increases overall fluency.
Practice question words deeply. Who, what, where, when, why, how. Use them to guide quick mental responses.
Question frames give structure to your thoughts and reduce time spent constructing answers from scratch.
When you meet difficulty, use simple filler phrases like, let me think, to keep the flow in English.
Fillers prevent a sudden switch back to your native language while you look for the right words.
Pair visual cues with English sticky notes in your environment. Seeing words regularly builds recognition and recall.
A few repeated visual reminders each day help words pop into mind without translation.
Practice with a partner when possible. Short, real conversations train immediate replies and natural rhythms.
Even 2-minute chats force your brain to choose English quickly instead of translating slowly.
Be patient and consistent. Fluency grows with daily effort and small wins, not overnight fixes.
Celebrate small progress, one sentence without translating, a quick reply, or a smooth 2-minute practice.
Now try a quick mental summary. Describe your last short walk in 3 simple English sentences.
I walked to the park. I saw a dog playing. I felt relaxed and returned home happily.
Breathe naturally while speaking and thinking. Calm breath supports steady speech and reduces haste.
Work on pronunciation of key sounds slowly at first, then increase speed. Clearer sounds reduce self-correction and help your inner voice stay in English.
Use short role prompts in your mind. Ask for help. Give an opinion, accept or decline an answer in English quickly to train response habits.
Notice common sentence patterns and repeat them aloud or mentally until they feel like your natural phrasing. Patterns become the bridge to fluent thought.
Keep a steady routine. A little practice every day is more powerful than long, rare sessions, and it trains your brain to prefer English.
What we have learned in this video is that short sentences, phrase banks, shadowing, paraphrasing, imagined dialogues, and regular tiny practices help your mind switch to English and speak more smoothly. Keep practicing a little each day and notice the progress.